What's up, trickster? Welcome to the vlog. Santa came over and watched the girls. They both have light fevers and stayed home today. Earlier, I tried to make the sun disappear and I failed. Check it out. NASA did a better job. Check it out. And now Kelly had this bright idea of going hiking while it's 103 degrees out. So that's what we're doing. Fun times.
It'll be good.
It'll be good, she says. Make it?
Made it.
Welcome back to the FitzMagic Show. So when Kelly and I were up on the mountain, we actually had a discussion about these. These are slide-proof bobby pins. And Kelly bought not one, but 2 packs of bobby pins today for me. Apparently, somehow, these were added to the grocery list. And Kelly knows I add weird things to the grocery list quite often for magical purposes. So she bought them without asking any questions or thinking anything weird. She brought them home and I said, "What are you going to do with these? Try to get out of handcuffs?" And she said, "No, I bought them for you. You put them on the list." Somehow they got put on the list. I did not request these. And then she said that I'm going to do the trick of the day using these bobby pins. So what I've done is I actually got out my dad's handcuffs that he gave me here, the Peerless motorcycle chain handcuffs, and did a bunch of research online to figure out how to escape from the handcuffs using the bobby pins as like lock picks, and I made several different ones. I found some great tutorials, even videos by like what was that one I found? I just totally went blank. Scam School. Scam School is a cool thing if you want to learn some magic. Check out Scam School on YouTube. But anyway, what I'm finding is these are Peerless, and where the key is different than on like a traditional Smith & Wesson handcuff, which is what a lot of people use. These ones are definitely different, and the pick idea, where you would put it in the keyhole like this and turn it, and they would open, it's not working with these at all. So I'm using another method. I played with another method. I haven't actually gotten it quite successfully, where you kind of slide it in this way, and then you can pop the handcuffs open. So what I've decided to do is give myself a time limit. I'm going to videotape the whole thing, because I was able to do it not wearing the cuffs, but I'm going to try it wearing the cuffs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this 20-minute timer here. I'm going to record the whole thing and see if I can escape from these within 20 minutes using bobby pins. I'm going to kind of have to cheat. I've got my Leatherman here, so I could make the perfect pick, but I'm going to limit myself to 20 minutes. And if I don't succeed, then I'm gonna do a stupid trick with bobby pins that I really don't want to do. I'd rather escape. So I'm gonna speed it up for you. And we'll see I don't know how this is gonna end. So wish me luck. We're gonna take this off. I'm gonna fabricate a quick pick here, how I think it should work. Get a little bobby pin here. We're gonna use Leatherman. That. Next, I'm going to take that little rubbery part off. Actually, I'm just going to cut it off. I found that works the best. I don't know where that went. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to bend this just like this. that. Got a nice little straight edge there, little hook on it. We're gonna plop on some handcuffs. I'm gonna dip out the music, or dip out the audio here so you don't have to hear me curse probably the whole time I'm doing this. And then, yeah, if I succeed, I will kick the audio back on and we'll go from there. So here we go, 20-minute timer starts now. I did it. 8 minutes to spare. That was tricky. It was definitely tricky. Let me readjust. So where did it go? Basically, I jammed the pick in here and disengaged the teeth on the little latch there on the inside. And I was able to do it. Man, that's challenging with these cuffs anyway. I know these are really, really good handcuffs. But hey, I escaped from handcuffs using only a bobby pin after I used some pliers to set up that bobby pin. But I'm gonna call that a success. I've never done that before. When I was a kid practicing with this stuff, my dad did not like me shoving bobby pins into his handcuffs because, you know, he used them for work and he didn't want me to bang them up or anything and make them easier for anyone else to get out. So yeah, I did learn a lot about handcuffs and how to escape from them. I've done other videos on that, but that's the first time I've ever done an escape with a bobby pin from Regulation Peerless handcuffs. So thanks for tuning in. This is the FitzMagic Show. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new trick. Thanks for watching. Boom!
Hey, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos just like this, please do us both a favor and click the subscribe button. Below that, you'll find the latest FitzMagic show, and below that, you'll find a video recommended just for you. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button.